The process of renewal depends on the body producing about 300 billion new cells a day. So what are you going to build those cells out of? Basically, the food you eat. And we all know that we should eat a highly varied natural foods diet. We all know that we should eat small, frequent meals, chew well, eat slow. But you know, life is kind of busy, isn't it? So what we did was we created a superfood, called it Essentials. It's essential because it provides protein, complex carbohydrates, essential fats, soluble fiber, vitamins and minerals. It is basically an all-in-one superfood. Now, we put it in a little bottle like this, so it is the ultimate in convenience. If you're running out the door, grab one or two. If you're going to the gym to work out, please don't work out on an empty stomach. Take one of these little minis before you work out. Take another one afterwards as a recovery beverage, and you'll find that your workouts are spectacular. Now, who else could use one of these little essentials? Oh, I don't know. How about your kids? You pick them up after school. You're going to a soccer game. You know they don't want to exercise on an empty stomach, but you can't stop it. For fast food, you can't do that to them. Can you? No. So you give them an Essentials. And they can have another one before dinner. It is the ultimate superfood. Think of an elderly individual who doesn't have really good digestion. See, this is not just a kitchen sink formula. What we did here is we took the protein and we broke it down into small particles called peptides. Most of these peptides are used by the body or usable by the body within minutes after hitting your small intestine. So this is one of those easy to digest superfoods. If we look at the essential fats, which we derive from cranberry seeds, those essential fats have been reduced to nanospheres through a process called nanotechnology. Now on the carbohydrate side, all those carbs are coming from whole fruit sources. And again, to slow that down so you don't have a rapid rise in falling blood sugar, what we did is we wrapped up those carbohydrates with soluble fiber. That soluble fiber also is an incredible valuable component in the formulation, but it particularly is valuable in slowing down the carbohydrate impact. So you won't have that what I call the candy crash, glucose going up and blood sugar going down. Now, if you look at all of that and you say, well, that's, you know, remarkable, because it's literally wonderful for anybody that you're going to meet, a man, woman, or child. Essentials, also available in a 30-ounce economy size. So again, multiple doses, you just open it, cap it tightly after you pour it, keep it refrigerated to keep it fresh. So Essentials available now in two sizes, a 3.3-ounce mini and a 30-ounce economy size. Spectacular meal in a bottle.